Good morning, children. This is Shubhalsar speaking. Children, as of now, we have completed the exercise 13.2, and we are going to give a start of a fresh new exercise, that is exercise 11.3. So this exercise 13.3 is about expanding the numbers, as we have as of now we have been dealing with exponential notations and all that. So we used to get a number, and by using prime factorization method we used to convert the number into exponential forms. So here in this particular exercise we'll be dealing with the numbers, how to write into expanded form using the concept of exponents and power. So here the very first question is about 279404. This number needs to be expanded using exponential notations. So here, children, we need to understand what are the place values of these numbers. The first number is ones, the place value of ones, 4. Second is tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. The number is 2,79,404. So the very first thing that we need to do is we will be expanding them using normal form. So here I'll write the place value of 4, that is 4 into 1, plus 0 is in the place of 10, so 0 into 10, plus 4 is in 100, so I'll write 4 into 100, plus 9 is in the place of 1000, so I'll write 9 into 1000, plus 7 is in the place of 10,000, so 7 into 10,000, plus 2 is in the place of lakh, so 2 into 1 lakh. So this way the general form of expanding a number, expansion of a number. So can we write in the place of 2 into 1 lakh as 2 into 10 to the power 5? Yes, we can, because the number 1 lakh or the 5 zeros after 1 can be represented in form of 10 to the power 5, because 10 to the power 5 means 5 zeros after 1. So here why did we do this? Because we wanted to convert this number into expanded form as well as in exponential form. So here 2 into 1 lakh has been converted into exponential form, that is 2 into 10 to the power 5, plus 7 into 10,000 can be expressed in form of 7 into 10 to the power 4, plus 9 into 1000 can be expressed in form of 9 into 10 to the power 3, because 10 to the power 3 represents 1000. After 1 there are 3 zeros, so exponential form will be 10 to the power 3, plus 4 into 100 can be expressed in form of 4 into 10 to the power 2, plus 0 into 10 can be expressed as 0 into 10 to the power 1, because 10 itself written once, so 10 to the power 1 means after 1 there is 1 0, plus 4 into 1. The most important, the vital part of this expansion is 4 into 1. 4 into 1 can be expressed in form of 4 into 10 to the power 0. Why 10 to the power 0? Because any number to the power 0 represents 1. So here, as the question was 4 into 1, so I wanted to convert it into exponential form. In order to bring 1, I have just written 4 into 10 to the power 0. Any number to the power 0, I repeat, any number to the power 0 represents 1. So children, here the entire entire expansion is 2 into 10 to the power 5, 7 into 10 to the power 4, 9 into 10 to the power 3, 4 into 10 to the power 2, 0 into 10 to the power 1, 4 into 10 to the power 0. So this way we express the expansion of a number into exponential form. The next number which I would like to explain, that is 3006194. So this number, let's count what are the place values of this number. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. I repeat, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. It's 30 lakh, 6,194. Okay, So here the place value of 4 is 1, so I'll write 4 into 1. First we will write in a general form, then we will be converting into exponential form. Place value of 9 is 10, so 9 into 10. Place value of 1 is 1000, so 1 into 1000. Place value of 6 is 1000, so 6 into 1000. 0 is 0 into 10,000. Next is 0 into 1 lakh. Next number is 10 lakh. 3 into 10 lakh. Okay, children. So let us write in expanded. We have already written in expanded form. Now we will write into exponential form. So 3 into 10 lakh means after 1 there are 6 zeros. So I'll write 10 to the power 6. Next value is 6 into 1 lakh. So I'll write 6 into 10 to the power 5. Next number is 0 into 1 lakh. So I'll write 0 into 10 to the power 4. Next value is 6 into 1000. So I'll write 6 into 10 to the power 3. Next value is 1 into 1000, so I'll write 1 into 10 to the power 3. Next number is 9 into 10, so I'll write 9 into 10 to the power 2. 9 into 10 to the power 2. So here the next number is 4 into 10. 4 into 1 means 4 into 10 to the power 0. Any number to the power 0 represents 1. So children, this way we will be expressing the number into exponential form. If there is any doubts or confusions, please feel free to speak to me. Drop your queries in comment section of Google Classroom as well as in WhatsApp group. So children, these were a primary concept of converting number into expanded form. Now the next number is which is already given in expanded form, and we have to write into actual form. So it's a very important thing to understand the question. So the question is 8 into 10 to the power 4 plus 6 into 10 to the power 3 plus 0 into 10 to the power 2 plus 4 into 10 to the power 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power 0. Okay, now so 8 into 10 to the power 4 means 8 into after 1 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4. 6 into 10 to the power 3 means 6 into after 1 3 zeros means 1000. 0 into 10 square means 0 into 100. Next number is 4 into 10 to the power 1 means 4 into 10 plus 5 into 10 to the power 0 means 5 into 1. So let us write in a complete form right now, children. So 8 into 10,000 means 80,000 plus 6 into 10,000 means 6 into 1,000 means 6,000. 0 into 100 means 0. 4 into 10 represents 40. 5 into 1 represents 5. So now if you add these values, I'm supposed to get 86,045. 86,045. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. 86,045. Just simply we have to add. Children, these are very easy concept. Very simple concept has been given over here. In the first question, we were given the numbers, actual numbers we needed to convert into exponential form. And the next number is, like the number is given in expanded form, we have to already given in exponential form, rather expanded form, we had to convert into actual form. So I would like to show you another various type in which there are some numbers are missing. So the next number is 4 into 10 to the power 5 plus 5 into 10 to the power 3 plus 3 into 10 to the power 2 plus 2 into 10 to the power 0. Children, if you understand this one, you are never going to face any problem throughout this chapter in the concept of expanded form. It will be cleared, absolutely cleared, if you understand this particular form. So here is 4 into 10 to the power 5, 5 into 10 to the power 3, 3 into 10 to the power 2, 2 into 10 to the power 0. There are two numbers. I don't know, children, whether you have noticed or not. Two numbers are missing. What are those two numbers? The missing numbers are 10 to the power 4, which will be appearing between 10 to the power 5 and 10 to the power 3. And one more number is missing, that is 10 to the power 1, which is supposed to be between 10 to the power 2 and 10 to the power 0. So 4 into 10 to the power 5 means 4 into, let it be 4 10 to the power 5 only. There is no 10 to the power 4, so I want to bring it in this way. 0 into 10 to the power 4 plus 5 into 10 to the power 3 plus 3 into 10 to the power 2 plus, as there are missing number is 10 to the power 1, so I want to introduce it in 0, multiplying 0 into 10 to the power 1, because 0 into 10 to the power means 0, as there is no presence of 10 to the power 1, so no matters. Then question is that, sir, why did we multiply it with 0? Because I wanted to introduce 10 to the power 1 in this series. I wanted to introduce 10 to the power 1 in this series. Plus 2 into 10 to the power 0. Now 4 into 10 to the power 5 means 4 into 1 lakh. After 1, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 into 10 to the power 4 means 0 only. 5 into 10 to the power 3 means 5 into 1000. 3 into 10 to the power 2 means 3 into 100. 0 into 10 to the power 1 means 0. 2 into 10 to the power 0 matlab 2 into 1. Now 4 into 1 lakh is 4 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0. 5 into 1000 results 5000. 3 into 100 results 300. Plus 0. Plus 2 was 2. So it's 4 lakh 5302. 4 lakh 5302. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 4 lakh 5302. In this way, children, we have to deal with this kind of questions. Next questions are pretty similar with this. If you have got any queries throughout this concept, please feel free to speak to me. Next is standard form. Standard form. Children, standard form. What is standard form that we need to understand first, and why we are supposed to do this? Whenever we deal with a very big value, suppose 100 lakhs, 200 lakhs, 40,000 lakhs, kind of such bigger values. These bigger values we use in order to find the distance between stars, between two stars, or between two planets, kind of. For this kind of situations, when we need to express the distance between two such objects, such far objects, we use standard form. Basically, we use this concept in physics. So here, standard form is about when we express any number, a bigger value, in form of exponent. These concepts are widely given in higher classes, in class 8, class 9 and 10. As we are studying in class 7, we are only given with the very simplest form, rather very basic form of standard form. So here the first question is 5 crore. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 zeros with 5. So how to write this number into standard form? So I'll be writing this number into standard form is 5 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 crore into 5 results 5 crore. So 5 into 1 crore will be expressed in form of 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 to the power 7. 5 into 10 to the power 7 is the standard form of 5 crore. Now question is that, sir, if we are having like other than 5, suppose 2 digits or 3 digits value, for those situations it will be slightly different. It will be slightly different. So here, so 5 into 10 to the power 7, the next one is about suppose 70 lakh. So that can be expressed in form of 7 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 zeros, so 10 to the power 6. Very simple. 7 into 10 to the power 6. The next one, suppose if I deal with a very bigger value, bigger than this, suppose the number is 31865 00 000. How to deal with this number? It will be 3.1865 into 10 to the power. Why did we introduce point over here? Because the point, when we have got other than more than one digit, more than one actual digit, as there was only 5, so that's why I didn't introduce point over here. I could have written 5.0 also, but there is no benefit of introducing point over here, as we're having a pretty bigger value. So this is, in this situation, it's 31865 00000. So it's 3.1865. Point will be introduced just right after the first digit from left hand side into 10 to the power. I needed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros I need. And if I remove this point, I'm supposed to get 4 zeros. So 4 zeros and other zeros will be cancelled. So I need at least 9 zeros in order to make it 5. Because if there are 4 zeros, will be cancelled with other 4 zeros of like, this exponent. 5 zeros will be left. That's why the formation is 3.1865 into 10 to the power 9. So I believe it's clear to everyone. If not, please drop your queries in WhatsApp group as well as in Google Classroom. Till then, thank you so much, children. Bye-bye. Take care.